What's up, RC enthusiasts? Today we're diving deep into the MN82S Pro, the 1/12 scale Toyota LC79 that's got everyone talking. Let me show you exactly what makes this crawler special. First up, the attention to detail is insane. This is a full-scale Toyota LC79 simulation with authentic body styling, realistic proportions, and that rugged off-road look that makes it stand out from generic RC trucks. The paint job and decal work really sell the scale appearance. Here's something cool: working headlights that you control from the transmitter. Perfect for evening runs or just adding that extra touch of realism. These aren't just decoration, they actually light up the trail ahead. Under the hood, we've got true four-wheel drive with 280 motors providing serious torque for climbing. The drivetrain features simulated steel plate suspension and a trapezoidal girder system that gives you that authentic crawler flex over obstacles. The 2.4 GHz proportional control gives you precise steering and throttle response, no more on-off jerky movements. Plus, you get two-stage transmission and that integrated control board handles everything smoothly. The 17G waterproof servo means you can tackle wet conditions without worry. Powered by a 7.4V 500 mAh battery pack, this isn't about speed, it's about skill and precision. The MN82S Pro excels at technical crawling, rock gardens, and challenging terrain where finesse beats raw power every time. So there you have it: functional headlights, authentic Toyota LC79 styling, true 4WD, proportional control, and serious crawling capability. The MN82S Pro brings a lot to the table for scale RC enthusiasts.